If you love bold, cold eyes but hate heavy makeup, then this one is for you. So stay tuned. Hey everyone, let's get ready with me today. We are going to be taking some inspiration from this look of Kareena. So I have already prepped my face, so straight away I'll jump to the concealer. I'm using Cancel Concealer by Mars in the shade of Caramel Charm. This concealer is thick and gives a high coverage, which is what we want because concealer will do the maximum job here. Don't forget to take a concealer which matches your skin color so that it can make your whole face look even. Do not use lighter shades because we are here to have a skin like finish and not layering up. So now it's time to blend. Take any beauty blender. Better if you can use a small one so that it can go every corner of your face, and blend the concealer perfectly. Make sure your blender is clean and not filled with old products, otherwise your blender will not be able to soak the excess products from your face. See how flawless it's looking. Alright, so I'll apply some concealer onto my eyelids too. Again, we will use minimum product to avoid cakiness. This part should be smooth because our goal is to have a bold eye but with natural touches. Again, blending it properly to get a smooth finish. In case you were wondering what's up with my hair, I have finger rolled my hairs in the front. I wanted to have some curls, in the front. Although I don't know how it will look, but just being positive. Alright, now I'm using Maybelline's Fit Me foundation in the shade 332 Golden Caramel. It's very lightweight, gives a natural finish, so I'll dot it all over my face. I'm not taking a huge amount here, as you can see. Some days I just don't want a thick layer, and I think today is one of those. Also, the goal is to have a skin like makeup, so this amount is, I think, perfect. And yeah, blending it with the same sponge again. If you want, you can take a big one also, but I'm just using it because I'm just comfortable here to do it with the same one. Okay, see, my face and neck is looking same. I mean, there is no color difference, so this is how no makeup look should look like, isn't it? I'll just quickly finish up the blending process. It's so glowy. I mean, it's just looking like my skin. I love doing it. Blenders are great. See the finish. I mean, it's just glowing. Now that we're done with our base, we will move on to the brows, brushing it upwards before filling it in. Now taking a brow brush and darker shade of eyeshadow from the same palette. This palette is by Swiss Beauty and palette number 8. We'll take a bit of a product with a brush and dust off the excess and fill the brow gently. Also hold the brush from the middle so that the pressure is gentle. Otherwise, we will end up applying too much color, and the brow will totally look like unnatural, so we don't want that here. Same will do to the other side, following the same process. And see how natural but clean shaped it's looking. Now we will take one eyeshadow brush and taking a lighter shade of a brown eyeshadow as a base, dusting it off and applying to the whole eyelid. We will hold the brush in the middle and gently apply the shade. See how pigmented it is. I mean, with one coat of application it makes a huge difference. Now we will apply the same to the other eyelid. Okay, here we're done with our base eyeshadow. Now we will take another eyeshadow brush which is going to look like this, or any other brush whichever is available with you, and taking two eyeshadow, one is dark brown and another one is maroon, and applying it just to the corners of the eyelids. We will keep applying it till there's a transition of dark to light color. And we will do the same in the lower line but gently. Okay, we're getting there, guys. Now finally, it is time for the kajal. This is the hero of the look. We will apply it as much as we want. This kajal is by Sugar Cosmetics number 5 Black Magic. Now that we're done with the kajal, we will take another brush and take darkest shadow possible to create a dark smoky line to the edge of the lid. Oh, seems like we're almost there. Now with the same brush and same eyeshadow, we're smudging the kajal a bit. And now applying the same kajal to the upper lid where we had created a smudgy line with a dark shadow. Now smudge it a little from the outer corners of your eyes. Okay, last step of the eye makeup is the mascara. Here I am using the mascara by Mars. We'll apply to the upper lashes and the lower lashes both. Finally, we're done with our eye look. Now my favorite part, which is cheek tint or blush. Here I am using the lip and cheek tint by Art Rhythm. We will also apply a little bit in the nose and a little bit in the chin. After all, we are creating the look inspired by Kareena, and we have all seen how rosy and reddish her face looks, right? Just see the difference it makes. The cheek tint, oh my god, I love it. I'm obsessed. My face looks alive. Let's do the lips now. I'm using the lip liner by Mars, Age of Desire number 14, and it's Choco Butter. It's highly pigmented. I like to smudge it like this because I don't want any straight line. Next, now using this lip mist by Mars again. This is so smooth and watery. It doesn't feel like a makeup product. It's almost like a skincare product. It gives a natural glossy finish, but yeah, it changes colors eventually. It gets darker. It is also buildable, so if you want to make it dark, you will have to keep applying it. I have also wiped it a little to have a natural lip. I have wiped it with a tissue. Okay, now some finishing touches. Wearing these jhumkas, this will go perfectly with the look. Oxidized jewelries with white kurtis can never go wrong. Now let's check how my bangs have turned out. Oh, I guess these are actually looking good. I mean, look at those. I don't know why I love having curls. It is maybe because I have straight hair. I mean, we are never satisfied with what we have, right? Although I still don't know how I'm gonna style this. I think it is just looking good like this only. I think I'm just gonna comb it and let it be. It's looking good. I'm so happy. Alright, I think I have done quite a good job with the look. I mean, I have not totally copied the whole look of Kareena. I have taken some inspo of the cool eye and rosy finish, all of that. Let me know what you feel about it. See you on my next video. Bye.